Hey guys, it's me Sujoy over here. I'm back with another video. On this video, I just want to talk about how to make money on YouTube without recording videos, or how to make money on YouTube without making videos. If you are thinking about starting a YouTube channel and you want to make money out of it, and say you don't have any subscribers, you're a beginner, then I highly recommend you check out this exclusive webinar workshop masterclass. In this, it's free to join. You don't need any experience. You don't need any technical skills. You don't need to put in some huge upfront investments. Like, this is an exclusive free training. The trainer, the mentor, he's also my mentor. His name is Matt Parr. So he actually runs 9 different YouTube channels, and he makes over six figures from each of those channels. He's grown multiple channels to over 100,000 subscribers, and he even has one with over 1 million subscribers. And you can see over here that he has the golden YouTube placard, which is only given to those who have over 1 million subscribers. All right, so what you're going to get in this exclusive free training with Matt Parr is, how you're going to go about with YouTube. You don't need to record any videos. I know it's very challenging when you're going to record yourself on video. I don't like to do that. I hate it also. If you are camera shy, this masterclass webinar workshop is for you. Secondly, how to choose a niche, which would generate tons of videos quickly. How you're going to get a lot of traffic, and how to take full advantage of the YouTube algorithm and grow super quickly, because you know that the YouTube algorithm keeps on changing frequently. Matt has already cracked the code for the YouTube algorithm. Once you sign up for this free webinar, you will learn everything about it. This is a free live training. Actually, it's a pre-recorded training, to be honest with you. But you are going to discover how to run 9 different YouTube channels and make over $30,000 a month from each of them. Even if you started with one YouTube channel, you can make a lot of money. Just to let you know about Matt, like I said, he's got over 100,000 subscribers, and he's even got 1 million subscribers from one of his channels. So what you need to do is, I'm going to keep a link down in the description below for you to join this exclusive free training webinar with Matt. You just need to click over here to reserve your seat. And once you click out here, you're going to have a pop-up. It's just going to open up. I think my internet connection is a bit slow. So, okay. So why? All right. Great. So once the pop-up opens up, select a date and time. So say for example, you are in Southeast Asia or any other part of the world. Select your date and time. Put in your first name, your email address, and also you can put in your contact details, your telephone number. That's optional, and you can sign up with the free webinar masterclass with Matt Parr. Just select the convenient time for you. Whatever time is suited for you. I highly recommend that you take action if you really are serious about making money on YouTube without recording videos of yourself. Like I said, you don't need any experience, no technical skills, and you don't need to put in huge upfront investments. So I'm going to keep the link down in the description below for you to join this exclusive free training webinar. So with that being said, you guys have a great day. If you like watching this video, make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. Peace out.